Foto pi Kwah benang Kren Phareng, Peit ka video kan iarap pi. Let me do my work. I can lay ka kamjonga. I'm very busy now. Ngabun kamha minta. Don't disturb me. What pentut nga. What is your problems? Kaay kaching jongpi? Do you have any problems? Hato pidon kano kaching May I help you? Long mga nirap ipi? Who will pay? Mano bensiw? I will pay. Nansiw mga. It's my fault. Kaday kajing maklajong nga. No, it's not your fault. Kamday kajing maklajong pi. Why are you looking so sad? Manay pi isusi pa. No, I'm not feeling sad. I'm susi re. Don't let this thing control you. When I bakane kansin shari pi. Don't expect people will help you. What community bagi breu kan iarap ipi. A good friend will support you. Kiperlo kibabha kimkershan ipi. People always remember your mistake. Kibreu barabor kikin maubit ya kajing maklajong pi. But no one remembers that you have done a good things to them. Henry kimkin mau ya kajing lebha jong pi yaki. Don't give up what can randin. Don't be selfish what perkatang yaladi. Don't be stingy what kamnap. Be generous long kibasbun. Every pain gives a lesson and every lesson change a person. Man la kajing tenju ka ay kajing sneng, but man la kajing sneng kapen kala yaw breu.